many traders avoid this system of trading. It's offer to trade in a very low risk. What I am talking about, you will understand while watching the video how I can make $300 by using two indicators. It's very easy and simple and safe. And I will reveal all my settings. Let's make money together. Let's add our tools. Bollinger Bands and ADX. We will start by adjusting the setting for the first one. We need to change the period to 8. I also recommended disabling the indicator's background fill. It's just in the way. I will set the band's color to white. It makes the chart easier to read. Okay, now let's tweak at ADX. Here we will change both parameters to 15 and remove the ADX line itself. We only need the DI lines. I will make the DI lines red so it contrasts better with the yellow one. Alright, now we are all set. Let me show you what strategies I am using. First and foremost, we are interested in the convergence and divergence of the ADX lines. Either the red or the yellow lines will always be above the others. When the red line is on the top, the market is rising. You can see highlight the entire area and see it clearly. Same here, this zone has the yellow line on the top. There was a slight downward. So the ADX acts as a filter showing us the direction we should trade in. Now we have the second indicator and it gives us entry point. Look at these boundaries points of the Bollinger Bands boundaries. If the asset reverses from the channel's edges, it offers moves in the opposite direction. When this signals with the ADX signals, we can successfully trade narrow price channels like here or enter the trade during strong trend movements. There another type of signals, a breakout of the midlines or boundary lines. That's also a reason to open a trade in the direction of the crossover. The key is that all indicators must confirm the signal simultaneously. Alright, now I will pull a fresh chart, show you some real trade explains. Let's go. Okay, I'm opening a short position here. Let's break down the setup. The yellow ADX line just crossed upward. At the same time, we see a bounce from the upper Bollinger Band. The midline has been broken, price pushed below the lower band, confirming bearish pressure. That 3 confirmed reason to expect a downtrend. Now we just wait calmly and the trade to play out. Zooming out, the asset is actually in an uptrend overall. But right now, I approaching another potential bounce point upward, so context matters. We are trading a short-term pulling back with a larger uptrend. Now we just wait for 20 seconds to lock a profit. This was a relatively easy trade example. After this, I will switch asset, locking in the profit now. Solid starts. Let's move to a new currency pair. Here I'm opening another short position. Let's analyze the situation. Overall, it's similar. The yellow ADX is on the top. The asset is falling. The breakout beyond the channel boundaries. Early the chart bounced off the upper Bollinger Band. The price action itself has formed a very smooth reversal. Indicators a clear change in direction. After breaking through this support line, nothing is holding the currency pair back from falling further. Okay, for now we are trading on a green candle. But this is the drawback at all. Within the trend, I'm expecting a breakdown that will show up the pattern I mentioned earlier. We were just waiting to see what developed on the new candle. And there is immediately started moving in our desired direction. We have two indicators and two fundamentals of a technical analysis. So we were maintaining complete calm and simple waiting for expiration. Okay, no surprises here, close in profit. Now it's time to switch chart. Let's see what market has to offer us. Great trading opportunity. Let's break it down briefly. First, here the level price is heading towards. The asset has room to fall. So we were just waiting for developments. Previously, the asset reversed twice at the upper Bollinger Band, indicating downwards intentions. This is exactly what's happening now. confirmed by the yellow ADX being on top. Let's me add a visual level so we can clearly see our trades. Use horizontal lines, guys. They are extremely helpful tools. To learn how to place key levels and truly understand market structure, join my Telegram channel, link in the description. There I focus specifically on these crucial trading nonsense. You will also find my personal trades, signals there that can help you earn your first profit. Okay, we are profitable again. Since we didn't research my previous market level, I will continue trading the same system setup. I am increasing the risk of $1,000. Time to push for significant results. Entering the market now. Target is to break through our market level, possible going much lower. Let's see. Let's evaluate the situation on higher time frame against. Earlier we draw our first level, but it's just beginning. As you can see, there are much more interesting zone where price could head. By the way, we already successfully broken through the first boundary. Now I will add the next one I showed previously. This is easier to see on a higher time frame. Add just a horizontal line right here. Now let's return to 1 minute chart and let's see how it's work. Okay, we are currently in a strong downtrend and now we can clearly see prices destinations. Now will I agree, this makes analysts much more convenient. This is what we call market control. I recommended adopting this approach. And here are the results. Balance now $2,000. Perfect time to wrap up the session and summarize. I personally use this strategy, which is very effectively. It works very real in market. This helps you to understand how the market goes up and goes down. You can always message me directly on my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel link in description below. Guys, I need your help to grow our community. Comment below if you have any problem related to the strategies, related to the chart and any other question. That's all for now. May your trade will be in green. See you in the next video.